Oh, God darn minute! Okay.
Dwayne. How's my old army, buddy?
As well as can be expected, Harry. How about you? You having any problems?
No. No, I don't know how to say it, but I guess it started with a Tugboat Annie movie. Yeah? Well, maybe it was pennies on a clothesline, or, my mother's bra in the laundry, or, sister's slip the silk.
Harry, Vernon Garr's wife, Rosemary, thinks Vern is trying to turn her brain into plutonium. What do you think of that?
God. It's just... We play around. Horsey, dressy, Grace and I. It's fun, but it's a private thing. It's in our own house. We don't, what's wrong? It's, we don't have any children, so, why contribute to overpopulation?
Harry, sit down, please. Sit down.
Okay. God. No. Jesus.
Sit down. That's good. You did sit down. Why did you sit down, Harry?
Because you asked me to, Dwayne.
Right. Good. I asked you to sit down, and you did. You do that, don't you, Harry? People ask you to do things, and you do that. Why is that, Harry?
What are you saying, Dwayne?
What are you saying, Harry?
Well, what I'm saying is that I guess that I don't really understand my own statement,
Is that why you're telling people that I've changed, Harry?
Oh, no. I just said you're behaving a little differently. I meant it as a compliment.
You meant it as a compliment?
Yes.
So you weren't happy with the way I was before?
No.
Are you sure this doesn't have anything to do with the fact that only you know that I was adopted, Harry? I want the truth!
Good God, Dwayne, no! Come on, we're Army buddies. Army!
You weren't in the Army, Harry, remember? You stayed home. I was in the Signal Corps. You were not in the Army. Harry. I've never let the fact that you have the name of a Buick come between us. Have I, Harry?
No.
Because you can't help that.
No.
It's not your fault. You can't change that, can you, Harry? But this is Hawaiian week.
Yeah.
I suggest you go get with Vernon Garr. Have him get you some cotton waste. Soak it in blue Sunoco, and I want you to burn your entire wardrobe. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, look. In the old days when we first started selling new cars, we sold them to older people. Under those circumstances, it was perfectly all right to dress the way you dress. Hey, you could dress like a mortician. You could dress like my Aunt Clarice, for that matter. But, doggone it, Harry. You seem to be forgetting something. We are selling the most aggressively designed automobile on the road today for people that are looking for unsurpassed driving excitement. But look at you. You're dressed like an undertaker. Now, Harry, I have some good news. Modern science has given us a whole new wonderful array of colors with exciting names like red, blue, orange, yellow, pink. Am I making myself clear?
Why don't you come right out and say it, Dwayne?
Say what, Harry?
That I like to wear women's clothes.
Is that what you like, Harry?
Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Not exactly.
Then why do you want me to say that you like to wear women's clothes, Harry?
I don't, Dwayne. I don't. I swear to God, I don't.
Then what do you say?
I'll change. I'll change.
You'll change.
Yes.
You'll change.
Yes.
I have your word on that.
Absolutely.
It's Hawaiian week, Harry. I've got to be able to count on you.
Yes, you can.
So you change.
Mhm.
And don't you worry about me changing.
No.
That's fair, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. That's more unfair.
That's not too much to ask.
No. Good God, no. I mean, I want to be friends like before.
Friends?
Yeah.
Buddies?
Buddies.
Buddies. You can go, Harry.
All right.
Right now.
Oh, yes. Yes, Dwayne. Buddies.